Hello, welcome to my channel. This is SQL for Beginners course, and in this second session we'll be installing Oracle 11G onto our systems. So let's go ahead and install the database management system we will be using in order to develop SQL queries. So first and foremost thing, go to your web browser, type in oracle.com, and it will redirect you to Oracle website. I'll sign out first for now so that I can show you everything from basic. So downloads, you need to go to the downloads section over here, and then quickly jump to Oracle Database 11G Express Edition, and there you go. You must accept the license agreement which is specified over here. You can read the license agreement if you want to, but it's all right. And you need to download the Oracle Database Express Edition 11G for your Windows 64-bit if yours is a 64-bit, or Windows 32 if yours is a 32-bit operating system. And if yours is a Linux 64-bit, then go ahead and download this, but mine is a Windows 64, so I'll be clicking on this. So once you click on this, it will redirect you to sign in. So if you already have the credentials for your Oracle account, then go ahead and sign in. I already have mine, but if you do not, just click on create account page, and it will redirect you to the create account page, and all you have to do is enter your basic details and you are all set when you click the create account button. So I'll just go back, and then with my credentials I'll sign in, and the download should start. While the application is downloading from the website, I would like to mention that there are other database management systems you could use. One of the most popular one is um, the most popular one among the most popular ones is the Microsoft SQL Server, and this is the page for it. And you can work on that too, but I prefer Oracle because I think that it is simple when compared to SQL Server. And there's another database system you could use, and it is MySQL. And all you have to do is go to www.mysql.com, and you can download from there and try and work with it too. But for now, for this tutorial, we'll be using Oracle 11G. So just go to your downloaded folder. I already have one downloaded. I downloaded an extra one, so I'll delete one, and delete this folder too. That is where it'll extract the files to, and I'll extract the files again in order to show you what happens. So when you extract the file, it creates a new folder, this one, and it extracts everything in there. So just click on the setup application, setup.exe, and it should um, ask you this, and just click on yes, and you're all set to go. So while it is preparing to install, I'll be mentioning a few important things about this application. You need to always remember your credentials. You need to remember your credentials, which I'll be showing you in a while. So make sure this box is checked, and then click on next. So these are the credentials you need to remember. So SYC, which stands for system, or SYSTEM. So this is your username, and your password would be anything. Your password can be anything, but my password right now is admin, and I don't mind sharing it with you. So let's just go ahead and click on install. So there you go. So it will take about 2 to 3 minutes for the installation process, depending upon your system speed. So for now, until it installs, I will pause this video. Let me first bring that up, and then I'll pause this video for a while until it installs, and I'll be back in a while. So we're done with the installation right now, and this is the very next screen after what I have shown you before this pause. So I'll click on finish, and we should be done. So that is all. and this shortcut is created which says get started with Oracle database 11g. If you double click it, it will take you to the Oracle database x11.2 workspace. But sometimes a problem occurs and something like, Windows cannot find so and so uh, URL. Windows cannot find this URL warning pops up. So then what you need to do, all you have to do is go to your installation folder, that is oraclexe, click on app Oracle, go to product 11.2.0, and then go to server, and then go down and click on the get started link and go to properties, and change this link, change whatever is here to this one, this link. I'll be mentioning this link in the description. So if you do have that problem, please go ahead and paste this link over here. So what this link specifies is uh, this is the HTTP port uh, which hosts the Oracle workspace. So if your HTTP port is configured onto a different port number, please do find that and mention it right over there. But most of the PCs by default have 8080 for their HTTP port. So, however, we did not come up with that problem right now. So I'll be jumping right in. I'll be going into Application Express, and um, if you remember, I asked you to remember a username and password, and that was SYS or SYSTEM. I'll keep it simple by using SYS, and the password for my database management system was admin. So I'll just log in, and it should take me in to the workspace. Uh, so it says create database user. Since we open the application for the first time, we'll be creating a new database user, and you can give any username you want to. If your name's John, go ahead and give John and have your own password, but for now I'll just keep it simple. I'll give the username as admin and password as admin. There you go. And I'll create a workspace, and it's creating a workspace, and then you're all ready. Right now the workspace is admin and your username is admin because we just created a username, and your password is admin. So when you log in, it takes you into your application, and you can quickly go and write some commands if you want to, but for now we won't be doing that. And this is the web browser interface you get of Oracle Application Express, but we will be working on command line. So for command line, all you have to do is go to your search and type in SQL uh, command line, and the very first application is what you need to run. So I like command line because this is where uh, most of your proficiency comes from when you code in command line. So however, what you need to do next, all you have to do next is type in connect and press enter, and it will ask you to give the username. And if you remember, we create a username called admin um, for our workspace, and then click enter, and it will ask you a password admin, and then you're all set to go. You're connected, and then you can start coding from here. So that is all for this session, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.